A fitness center charges $100 initiation fee plus $40 per month. Right, a function. Here we go. So the total cost depends on the number of months plus the $100 there. Okay, so that means that our independent variable, that's going to be number of months right there, because the total cost depends on number of months. Okay, so now when we write our equation, we put dependent equals. That's the way we do it. Okay, so that's why you identified independent, dependent, because it's dependent equals the cost equals. Okay, so cost equals what? Cost equals 100 for the initiation fee, and we're going to add to that the $40 per month. Okay, so it's cost equals 40 per month plus the $100 initiation fee, and there you go. Again, not meant to be super tricky as long as you break down what are we doing. Oh, we're multiplying here and we're adding there.